Hi guys, welcome to our Bisaya word of the week. It's another Wednesday, so it's another Bisaya lesson. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about body odor. I suggest you review the previous video about body parts so that it will be easier for you to relate to this video. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you the good and the bad smell first. The good smell means humot. Bad smell means baho. Humot, baho. So let's start with the head. Okay, so the head, baho og ulo. Baho og ulo. Humot og ulo. Humot og ulo. No, let's go to the hair. Humot og buhok. Baho og buhok. And let's go to the ears. Baho og dunggan. Humot og dunggan. Mouth. Baho og baba means bad breath. Humot og badba, good breath. Okay, bad breath, baho og baba. The next is baho og alingagngag. Alingagngag is actually where your vocal cords are. So if you can hear this alingagngag, that's where the alingagngag is, where your vocal cords are. It would still mean bad breath if somebody would say baho og alingagngag. Okay, next, let's go to the famous body odor. We have ilok. Baho og ilok. Humot og ilok. Okay, the babies, usually babies have good smell of their armpit, so we like to smell that. So babies have humot og ilok. Let's go to your hands, to the hands. Baho og kamot. Humot og kamot. So put some lotion, wash your hands, put some lotion so that you'll have humot og kamot. Okay. Next, let's go down a little bit. Let's go to the private parts. And if you are a very sensitive person, you might want to stop here or skip this part of this lesson. So this is just for educational purpose only, so don't be offended. I would also like to give a shout out to Sir Scott Tyson. Thank you very much for suggesting the proper name of the private parts of the ladies. Okay, so it is vagina, not pussy. So let's proceed. The private part of a guy is tintin or utin. You say baho og utin, humot og utin. Okay, and the private parts of a lady, it's bilat, buto, or pipi. So you just choose which one of those you wanna use, but the not so offensive word is pipi. Okay, so you say baho og pipi, humot og pipi. Okay, then after that, let's turn him. You know, guys, I really do not know his name. I believe I saw him in the Avengers. I just borrowed this toy from the son of our roommate. So let me know in the comments if you know what is the name of this guy. Okay, now we have here the bottom part, baho og lubot. Okay, humot og lubot, I don't know. Okay, baho og lubot or humot og lubot. And then just above the anus, okay, we have the kigul. We call it kigul. Baho og kigul, humot og kigul. Okay, kigul, this part here. Okay, the next, I think the last part I'm gonna share is the feet. Okay, baho og tiil, humot og tiil. Okay, almost forgot these three remaining parts. Back or rear of the body, we have buko-buko. Back smells bad, baho og buko-buko. Back smells good, humot og buko-buko. Next is fart, means utot. It is not part of the body, but it is what the body releases if you have extra air or wind inside your body. So humot og utot, you have good, your fart smells good. Baho og utot, fart smells bad. Next is sweat. Sweat is singot. Sweat smells bad. Baho og singot. Sweat smells good. Humot og singot. If I miss anything, let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I hope to see you again next week for a Bisaya Word of the Week. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know where you are watching this video, which country you're from. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm not just sharing the Bisaya Word of the Week, Bisaya lessons here in my channel. I am also sharing a lot of things, a bit of everything. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and bye bye for now.